Hello and welcome to French Made Fun. Today we'll be learning the days of the week, the words for which I'll be pronouncing one by one very slowly so that you can repeat them after me. Starting with Monday, which is called lundi, Tuesday, mardi, Wednesday, mercredi, Thursday, jeudi, Friday, vendredi, Saturday, samedi, Sunday, dimanche. Let's go over them once more. Monday, lundi, Tuesday, mardi, Wednesday, mercredi, Thursday, jeudi, Friday, vendredi, Saturday, samedi, Sunday, dimanche. If you're wondering why these words are written in lowercase, that's because in French, the days of the week are always written in lowercase unless they are at the beginning of a sentence. For instance, il est mercredi, which means it is Wednesday in French. M here is written in lowercase. Whereas a sentence such as samedi est ici, which means Saturday is here, you'd find that samedi begins with an uppercase alphabet. If you're a beginner in French, I recommend repeating the days of the week to yourself again and again until you remember them thoroughly. Please like this video, comment down below if there's any topic that you'd like me to cover next, and subscribe to the channel so I can keep making these videos for you. Au revoir.